Hi there, and welcome back to our kitchen. I'm Casey, and this is Lauren, and we're two of Festival's Mealtime Mentors. Today we are using the slow cooker to bring the world to your table.
Yes, today we are making slow cooker Doro wat, which is an Ethiopian dish, and it's kind of like a chicken stew.
Yeah.
But really made easy with our handy dandy slow cooker.
Love it. All right, so to get started, we have some oil heating up in the pan. So I'm going to add some onion. Get that cooking.
Yep.
And then some garlic and some ginger. So we're just
It's gonna smell good in here.
So good. So we're just gonna let this cook for a little bit until the onions get soft.
And while Casey is working on that, we have some chicken breasts right here, 4 chicken breasts, and I'm just gonna add in some fresh lemon juice. And just gonna let that sit just for now, set it aside because we need that mixture over there to be done first. But while we are waiting for that to cook, one thing we wanna chat a little bit about is our berry spice mixture.
Right, which is really the key to this dish. So you can make it on your own. It's got a lot of different spices in it.
Yes, so we're gonna name off those spices just so you kind of have an idea of really what's in here.
Right.
So we have sweet or smoked paprika. We've got cayenne pepper, salt, ground ginger, ground cardamom, fenugreek seeds, ground coriander, ground cinnamon, ground cloves, and ground allspice.
So yeah, lots of great flavors with that. The cayenne really adds some heat, so you can adjust that definitely if you'd like. And this recipe actually makes about 3 batches of just that spice mix. So you only need about 1/3 of what you make for what we're making today, which is great because then you can store it and use it later.
Yes, and a lot of these spices, like the fenugreek, probably sounds really foreign, but we do have all these spices in our stores, either in our natural organic department in the bulk spice section, or really many of these spices are found right in the normal spice aisle. So
Right. All right, so these are looking
yeah, that looks really good.
nice and soft. So I'm gonna pass this off to you.
Yes, I'm gonna kind of scoot our slow cooker over a little bit.
We'll add this right into the slow cooker. This is kind of the base. Yum.
Excellent.
Okay. And then on top, well, I'll spread this out a little bit. So you've got a nice little bed of onion. All right.
Perfect. And then our chicken breasts are going to go in next with our lemon juice.
And they'll just go, the whole chicken breast just go right on top.
Yep.
Super simple.
And then we're gonna add in the rest of our ingredients. So we're gonna add in that berry spice mixture. Then we've got some, I'll put in the turmeric as well. So many good spices. It smells
good
amazing.
Spices. It smells good and it's very pretty. Lots of deep, rich colors.
It is. And then, ooh, yeah, I can really smell it. We've got some tomato paste. Get that in here. Ooh. And then we have our chicken broth. So I'm going to add this in.
So simple.
And this is going to cook in our slow cooker on low for 7 to 8 hours or high for 3 to 4.
And we've got one batch already made.
I'm going to move this over here. Make some room.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that looks so good.
It is. So we've got all the different ingredients kind of going on in here, and you can see that, well, some of the tomato paste is still not quite incorporated, so you can definitely give that a little stir before serving. Oh my gosh.
Looks really good though.
It does.
Very flavorful.
And so many great smells. All right, so to serve this, we are serving on top of brown rice. It's typically served with some kind of rice or a flatbread, and part of that is because it helps to balance out the spiciness.
Yes.
Which is really tasty.
And the other thing that helps to balance out the spiciness is we're adding a hard-boiled egg as well, half to each, which is kind of interesting, but it's traditional to this dish, and it also will help kind of balance out some of that spiciness.
Yep.
We want to add some sauce to this one too.
Yes. Oh, yum. All right.
So really fun, different Ethiopian dish, but again, that slow cooker makes it so simple.
Yes. Love it.
All right, let's give this a try. It's so good.
So many flavors happening. because of that bearberry spice mix.
Yes, so
love
don't
it.
skip out on that. Absolutely necessary.
Definitely not. Well, we hope you make this spicy Ethiopian stew.
And for more recipes and resources from your mealtime mentors, visit festfoods.com.